If you're looking for the best swinging camping chair, you've probably noticed there are dozens of options that all promise comfort and durability. To save you some time, I compared 5 popular models, looked closely at their features, build quality, and comfort, and narrowed them down to the ones that stand out the most. By the end of this video, you'll know which chair is worth your money and which one fits your style of camping.
Product number 1. GCI Outdoor Kickback Rocker Outdoor Rocking Chair with Beverage Holder. The first thing that stands out about the GCI Outdoor Kickback Rocker is its low-profile design. It looks simple, but it's built with a sturdy steel frame that feels ready for regular outdoor use. One feature I really like is the built-in carry strap, which makes transporting it much easier when you're also carrying a cooler or other camping gear. The built-in beverage holder and secure phone pocket are thoughtful additions that keep your essentials close by instead of on the ground. The patented spring-action rocking technology is another highlight because it allows smooth rocking on grass, dirt, or even harder surfaces without feeling unstable. The breathable mesh back also helps improve airflow during warmer weather. This chair isn't packed with fancy extras, but it focuses on comfort and practicality. If you want a dependable rocking chair for camping, sporting events, or relaxing around the backyard, this is an excellent all-around choice. That brings us to something designed for people who want even more space and support.
Product number 2, King Camp Hammock Camping Chair, oversized 400-pound model. This King Camp Hammock chair is built for people who value comfort above everything else. Its oversized seat immediately stands out, offering noticeably more room than many standard camping chairs. The adjustable reclining system lets you change your sitting angle easily, so you can sit upright while talking with friends or lean back and relax after a long hike. Its hammock-style swinging motion creates a comfortable floating feeling without needing trees or ropes. The reinforced aluminum alloy frame and steel supports are designed to hold up to 400 pounds while maintaining stability on grass, sand, or patios. Anti-slip feet also help keep the chair secure on uneven surfaces. Despite the heavy-duty construction, it avoids feeling overly bulky. This model is a great option for larger campers or anyone who simply enjoys extra room while relaxing outdoors. If portability is your biggest concern though, the next chair offers a lighter package without giving up many of these comfort features.
Product number 3, King Camp Hammock Camping Chair, lightweight version. This version keeps many of the same features while placing a stronger focus on portability. Weighing only about 10.3 pounds, it's noticeably lighter than many heavy-duty swinging chairs, making it much easier to carry from the campsite to the beach or a sporting event. The one-piece folding frame opens in seconds, so setup takes very little effort. The oversized seat still provides plenty of room, and the adjustable reclining straps allow you to customize your comfort level throughout the day. The combination of 6061 aluminum alloy and reinforced steel tubing delivers a strong frame while helping reduce overall weight. The durable 600D Oxford fabric is also built to handle repeated outdoor use. For people who frequently move their gear or travel with limited storage space, this balance of durability, comfort, and lightweight construction is hard to ignore. If maximum relaxation is your priority instead, the next chair adds one feature many campers will appreciate.
Product number 4, King Camp Hammock Chair with Footrest. Among all 5 chairs, this model focuses the most on relaxation. The removable footrest makes a noticeable difference by allowing you to stretch out your legs while enjoying the gentle hammock-style swing. Whether you're reading a book, watching the sunset, or simply taking a break, the added support creates a more laid-back seating position. The breathable full mesh back helps increase airflow on hot summer days, while the Oxford fabric remains durable enough for regular outdoor use. It also includes a built-in cup holder and pillow, adding a little extra convenience without making the chair feel cluttered. Even with these additional comfort features, it still folds quickly and weighs only around 11.2 pounds, making transportation fairly simple. This chair is especially well suited for campers who spend long evenings relaxing around the campsite. For anyone wanting similar comfort with a slightly simpler design, there's one more option worth considering.
Product number 5, King Camp Hammock Camping Chair, adjustable recline. The final chair returns to the proven King Camp Hammock design, with an excellent balance between comfort, portability, and durability. It supports up to 400 pounds using a reinforced triangular frame, while remaining relatively lightweight thanks to its premium aluminum alloy construction. The oversized seat gives you plenty of room to settle in, And the adjustable reclining straps let you switch between upright seating and a more relaxed position within seconds. The 6-point support system and anti-slip feet help maintain stability across different outdoor surfaces, whether you're camping, spending time at the beach, or attending outdoor sporting events. Its folding frame packs away quickly into the included carry bag, making transportation easy for almost any trip. If you're looking for one chair that checks nearly every box without becoming overly heavy or complicated, this model deserves serious consideration before making your final decision. Those are my picks for the best swinging camping chairs available right now. If you want to compare prices or read more about any of these models, check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more outdoor gear reviews.